All right, so now let's have a look at Princess Diana. Right now, there's a screenshot here on the left from Oprah Daily, where I was looking all over the place to try and find an actual time of death, and well, here it's being very specific in saying that Diana passed away from internal bleeding at 4:53 a.m. on the morning of August 31st, 1997. That's very specific. It might be debatable, but I think there's probably something to that. Now, as I see it, it is nothing short of astounding that, Diana is the literally lunar goddess. The name Diana comes from the lunar goddess. Sidereal moon in the sign Cancer, the royal moon, princess moon in her own sign, conjunct the ascendant, right?